Hi, welcome to part 54 of the Design Tool tutorial series. In continuation of the office model we've been creating, today we are going to be adding the lighting fixtures to the office model. In the past video, we looked at how to create walls, windows, ceiling, and so on, and we added plumbing fixtures and the various pipes involved. Also, we went on to add the HVAC system, and now we want to continue with the lighting fixtures. Alright, to add light to this particular um, model, we need to go to the electrical plan. So let's go to on your project browser, go to electrical and click on go to ceiling plan and click on L1 lighting. Alright, you notice that although we have the our ceiling diffusers on this ceiling, but we can't see it here because this is the lighting plan. Right, so to add the electrical light, go under on a ribbon under system tab, go to electrical, click the down and click on lighting fixtures. I'll position it here because I know I have an air terminal here and the other side, so I'll place it here and we are good. Notice that I can't place the light elsewhere except on the ceiling. And one thing I mentioned the reason why we had to create ceiling in the first instance because the ceiling is required to host the lighting fixtures, right? If assuming we have not provided the ceiling before this stage, there is no way we'll be able to fix the light. That is how Revit works. You can't fix a door where there's no wall, you can't fix window where there's no wall. There has to be like a host for some of the family members that are coming. Alright, so let's copy this, click on it, and then click on copy, constraint, and let's select this edge of the wall here. So we are going to place our light here. Escape. So click on the light and type CS, that is create similar. This is the toilet, so I'm going to place it here, here, and here. Okay. Going to place one here. So for the sake of coordination, just make sure it doesn't clash with um, the air terminal we've installed before. But meanwhile, on your keyboard, just type WT so that we can be looking at the positions of the air terminals while placing the light. Right. So right here, I'm going to fix two lights here, one over here, and one here. Okay, here is okay. I need to move the first one I dropped in this office. Click on it and type and click on the move. Just click on the edge and bring it there. Okay. You can also use your arrow key in the keyboard to move the light. So let me see where we position lights for this particular office. Okay. Let's click click on the light, type CS, and then let's position one here. All right, and I think we can have one here. Okay, And then what again? Let's put one more light at this point. Okay, and one at this very end. Okay, well, good. Although I think there are various codes and standards that govern the requires locks per space in each apartment based on the activities to be done. Maybe like office space, you need 500 lux per square meter. So you need to get acquainted with some of these electrical codes and standards for you to provide a standard design. All right. So, but in this case, I just want to teach you how to create these lighting fixtures and to position them at the right level, at the right position where it will seem realistic in application. All right. So this is we've been able to place the light at various points. Now tutorial ends here for today. So subsequent tutorial, we're going to add switches, sockets, and we're going to run the conduit pipe, and that will be all for the model. But just still put advise you practice. Make sure you practice. Any challenge you drop on the comment section and I will attend to it. Also subscribe to my videos. Very, very important. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any video in the future. And also if you like what I'm doing, please like my videos and also share. Alright.